Hey, so I'm Braxton, and I drive a 2023 Honda Elantra N. I wanted a daily that was very dual-headed and had many personalities, and I felt like this car just really checked the box, especially for about 35K new. I wanted my daily to be an auto, but I still wanted some engagement. And, as y'all know, like the Elantra N is one of the very few cars in the segment that comes with a DCT. It just had a very high ceiling of performance, but really, I think the seats are what sold me, because I think it looks like a catfish from the front, which is kind of ugly, but the seats are like the best seats you can get for under 40K, period. They're better than the Type R seats, they're better than the GTI seats, they're better than the Golf R seats, like everything. They're just better, right? And I think it's sick that they actually light up as well. But this car just has a very high performance ceiling, and it punches well above its weight. I'm on some Koenig Ultragrams. I also have Bridgestone Potenza Races, which are God's gift to the automotive world. They're like the most fire tires in the segment right now, and they're highly slept on. Past that, I have a engine torque mount bushing, just an insert, just to help with wheel hop, a street track alignment, and front camber bolts, and an oil catch can, if that counts as a mod. That's really just, like reliability shit, but yeah, that's all. I do got some plans. Recently we went on a trip to Austria and we were doing some driving, a bunch of guys like M2, 993 Porsche, stuff like that, and it's just like, my car was already doing well, but as you drive your car very hard in that manner, you definitely find the shortcomings, and one of the things I really want to address is the brakes. So I'm gonna go up to a big brake kit, factory Brembo kit, and I'm also gonna do a 2-piece rotor up front, more aggressive pads. I'm gonna do a couple little suspension bushings to add more caster and more camber to the setup, because I think it could benefit from it. And then from there, stage 2 tune and let it fly. You want to follow me in this car's journey, so you can find me just across all socials, Instagram, YouTube, at BZ_builds. I'm gonna continue to drive this thing, track this thing, do all that fun stuff. So if you want to be a part of the drive, please, I'd love to have you.